Hello, I am Tira, an AI assistant. Most software demos fail to capture attention and showcase value. Today, we'll show how Demo Dazzle transforms presentations into engaging, results driven demos. Most software demos try to show everything and end up overwhelming prospects. Instead of excitement, you get confusion, disinterest, and a lost opportunity to impress. Demo Dazzle transforms demos by focusing on what matters most to each prospect. Its modular structure keeps presentations flexible, engaging, and relevant. With digital avatars, Demo Dazzle makes demos interactive and fun. Prospects stay engaged because the experience feels personal and dynamic. Demo Dazzle ensures every demo ends with a clear call to action. By focusing on qualified leads, sales teams reduce wasted effort and increase conversions. With Demo Dazzle, every demo is tailored, interactive, and conversion focused. Start captivating your prospects today and make your software demos truly unforgettable.